Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to remove Google Gemini Nano Banana image logo from the image. You can see here Gemini normally creating pictures with this kind of logo. Look at my mouse pointer, you can see this is the logo. So in this video we are learning how to remove this logo from Photoshop. Okay, that's very simple. Open your Photoshop, open your image. You can see here it is created by Google Gemini, and you can see here that is the image logo is there. Okay, and we can simply right click here, then choose selection option, then right click here, then just select this portion, right click, then select fill option. Okay, then select content aware, this one, and click OK. So that's very simple. The logo is gone. So that's guys very simple tutorial. In this way you can simply hide Google Gemini AI logo from your image. So that's very simple and easy. So that's guys a very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.